A short while ago, I showed you a video where I built a custom induction wireless charger in my F-150 right here underneath this. It's a 3-ring induction wireless charger made by Brand Motion, which I did a full custom installation, and it works really great. But what about the guy who doesn't want to do a full custom installation? Is there another option you want to know? It turns out that there is, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how easy it is. It's literally plug and play for the average guy to do by himself. And here it is. There's the factory tray in the center console of my F-150. And this here is a new product. It's an F-150 retrofit tray with a wireless charger built in right there. There's the pad. So let's check this thing out real quick. Here's the two inserts side by side. This is the factory one where it's got the coin little dealy there. It's got a little place here for your credit cards and stuff like that. This one here is pretty much similar. There's for your charger. There's a spot for your pens and stuff like that. This one here where you can, it comes with rubber inserts, by the way, so you can put those in there so it doesn't slide around, and it moves the coins to back here, which is okay. It's cool. And here's the full installation. You have a mini USB that plugs into the bottom side of the charger. This one comes with the adapter for the cigarette lighter plug. Just take that and plug it right in there like boop. So you can see right there is a little indicator, let you know when it's powered on and off. So I'm just gonna go ahead, put on my ignition. There you go. You can see that it's powered on, it's charging. As soon as you place your phone right in this location, this green light here just starts blinking immediately, lets you know that it's actually working. I think this thing is pretty damn terrific. It slides in there pretty seamlessly. I like this. It doesn't really make any more or less room. It just replaces what you have in there existing. The only thing is, of course, you're going to have this little cable which is going to go from here down to the cigarette lighter, but that's not such a big deal. You know, like I got plenty of extra space in my organizer I installed in there previously, so I got plenty of storage. But this thing, definitely worth a look. If you need a charger for your truck, this thing's okay, man. I like it. I'm gonna put a link down below, so if y'all want to get yourself one of these units, I'm gonna definitely suggest that you do so, because these things are really a must-have for today's, you know, person on the go. You gotta have a charger in your vehicle. That's just a must, you know. So check it out, man. Get yourself a nice little charger for your truck. You deserve it. Get yourself a treat. Your truck will thank you. By the way, here's an Android phone. My Apple iPhone worked lovely. This one seems to work just as well. There's the Android. My iPhone worked perfect. There you go, man. Look at that. Like it.